Hey guys, Gamer to Mia here, and today I'm at Parrot Party, and I am very curious about where I am. Oh, now I understand why the elves black eyes, why the wings are here. Okay, so I'm gonna pack an extra one just in case mine break, and I don't know what the fireworks are for. Oh, flight irritation. Don't know what that means, but mailbox! Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail when I hear the mail come. Yeah, mail! Okay, guys, so y'all are going to hear my outstanding reading, and I don't think y'all can see the top of it, so I'm going to just move it a little bit. Okay, sorry, you guys. Hi there! You have been invited to a party at Purple Palace. We will be getting together later today. Hope to see you there. Pete the Parrot. Y'all know how much Minecraft parrots get on my nerves with their noises. Noise! They might as well be yelling that. So, so, with L strike, quick point jump to start while flying. Not even going to ask. Whoa, this is a beautiful place. It looks like I have to go over here. But I seriously want to go fly. La 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 la. Owie! Well that hurt. Whoa! That's what they do. Wow! Nobody should have this while flying. Well that hurt. Owie. That hurt. Wah! No! Ow! Ow! Are you happy? I made it to the party. Maybe it's one of those things where I have to touch the beacon. Oh, look at me. I'm touching the beacon. Whoa. I want to learn how to make a beautiful beacon like this, you guys. Whoa. Look at the beacon. Wait a minute. If I mine the dirt that's underneath this, maybe there's redstone. There is no redstone. It's that simple. Okay, my house is going to be looking beautiful. Ow! Okay, guys, so, I'm just walking because apparently I can't fly. Maybe I can make my own Minecraft heaven like I did the last 15 million times before I did it. You guys, did y'all see that? I almost died at first. Parrots! Time to tame them! Quick, I gotta destroy these seeds! I mean, grass! Whoa, where's the party exactly? Y'all didn't give me an address or an email. Like, even though I don't have Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, so I can't get emails, I have to ask my mom if she got an email from somebody, which is likely to bound to not happen. But anyways, let's not talk about my life, you guys. Let's talk about this parrot adventure. Also, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you like today's entry of a video. Okay, I think we're here. Knock, knock, knock. What? I'm coming in, about to steal your bread. Yes, I steal bread. I am stealing bread. Ooh, do you got coal in here? Nope. I can't believe I'm living my life as a flying person. Well, technically, a flying person is an angel, so I'm beautiful. Ow. Now, seriously, where do I go? I could try flying again. Whoa. Never do that unless you're in the sky, you guys. Okay, Demia, calm down. Woosah, you're okay. You're okay. probably thinking, why does she just howl? She's not a werewolf. Actually, you'd be surprised. Because of my father's genetics, I think I'm technically half werewolf, too. You guys, I am a monster! No spawner in here? This looks like a ritual. I am not about to be a part of this because I am a Christian and I don't think I do rituals like that. Our church don't do rituals like that. That looks like a ritual. I ain't about to do this. Should I climb up the non-side or... Oh, forget this. I ain't about to do all this. Why is it taking so long to go to Purple Pete's house? I think his name is Purple Pete, but his name is Pete Parrot. Ow! Oh, wait. We don't howl at the sun or meow at the sun. Oops. Line? Ow! My head! I still don't understand why we take fly damage. Oh, there's the next beacon. Can we just get to this party already? This is getting lame. And I bet the audience is hating this. Oh man, watching Demia run around is just horrible. And you think I agree with you guys. I want some cool beacons at my house. Okay. Whoa! We've made it to heaven? Oh, this ain't heaven. This is Parrot's place. Owie. Because if it was heaven, I wouldn't get hurt. Unless, you guys, don't think I'm dumb for this, but Geronimo! And I went through the cloud. We are not in heaven, you guys. There just had to be a purple parrot palace? I'm curious. I must investigate. Hello, good sire. A caw. A caw. Look at my wings. See, I can fit in too. I never fit in. That's such a lie. I never fit in. Oh my gosh. Simple June box. Play a random disc when you press the button. If you are not hearing music, you may have to download it. Go to the Minecraft store and download the free music pack. Nope, no thank you. Wait, did you say free? Did it just play it 2 times louder? Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that was an actual skeleton. Oh, ha ha ha. I want this. Yeah. Yeah. I want to change into my diamond armor. Ooh. Are we here? You guys, this doesn't really look much like the party. Whoever made this game must have been very bored and invited parrots. Ugh. Hope that does the trick. I'm not so much of a redstone chick of the tech. Ugh, this party's horrible! There's nothing fun here. Ooh, blaze rod. I may have killed a party guest. Why do you have lava so we can make fried chicken? Well, fried parrot. I almost said it. Fried chicken. Wow. Ooh, mine. Yeah, I don't want this. I forgot I couldn't really do anything with it. Ah! Where my cute diamond boots ruined from all this. And I don't even care. Look at this beautiful world. It's a party. Look at this party. It's big and bright. Even though it's lame, I'll get it right. Uh-huh. Ugh. Fine. I'm only giving you half of the collection to make me some fireworks. Oh yeah, these are for my flying. Thank you, I'll take these back now. Ugh. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. Ooh, press a button. What? What have I done? Ah. Ooh. Ah. Wee. What the? It's a broken disc. Give me something better. This ain't no fireworks show. This is the worst party I've ever been to, besides that one in Roblox, where if my friends are watching this, then I'm glad. Me and my sister Nai were invited to this Roblox party, you guys. And ISO was there too. So we go to hang out. This party's okay. My friends give us food, drinks, and a place to play games at, and nothing else. And if they're watching this, good. Okay? That was the worst party I've ever been to. So, we're over there. ISO's playing a game with who knows who. ISO's playing a random game. He's playing Connect 4 Meep version. We are playing Meep City, yes. He's playing Connect 4 while me and Anaya are just and me and Gamer Wolf Girl, y'all can call it that. Me and Gamer Wolf Girl are just chillaxing, having fun, doing nothing but the best. And then all of a sudden, my other friends who invited us to this party go upstairs. So then I had a question. I was thinking, so is this a Roblox sleepover? Because if it is, I need to know. So I go into her room to ask a question. She says, "Get out of my room. No one's allowed in my room." Me being very offended by that, I was like, "Come on, Nai, let's go to your place. Let's bounce. This party sucks." I was thinking, that was rude of her. I was like, "Let's go have a party at my place." She was like, "Didn't you tell me we were having it at my place?" Me, "Oh shoot, I forgot. Yeah, let's go to your place. Come on, let's party." And Nai served food, entertainment. We actually spent time together. And that was like the best part of it. I think I can disable the beacon. For I am victorious! Okay, can y'all stop putting on the tap dancing show? Ooh, I haven't seen you. Dragon's breath. Mine. What do I do with Dragon's breath again, you guys? I forgot. You know what? Keep it. Fine, Guardian Parrot. I think I should use this. What? Huh? Okay, I think I broke something. Did I crack a parrot's spine? I apologize if I did. I'm gonna disable one of the beacons. Haha. Na 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 na. Disabling the party. La da da doo. Oh my gosh! Where do I go? I'm super lost. I'm gonna go for a fly, actually. Even though I hate fly. Oh, there goes a beacon I can disable. It said it needed diamonds, emeralds, and oh shoot. Goodness gracious. No. Bad. Do I have any blocks? Oh my gosh, you guys, I think I'm going to die. Phew! I didn't die! Woo! Life is fun. Okay, guys. I'm gonna fly! Well, that was awesome. But, yes, you guys. I don't know where I am going, and this looks like a King Parrot's place. I go to type in Parrot. I go to see Parrot Party. I'm thinking, even though parrots can come off as annoying at times when they're making sounds in the middle of the night to scare you, I guess it wouldn't hurt. So I go, well, are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? All that way for no purpose. Ah! I don't care what's in the ender box. Ah! Give me this and that. May I please have the L's dry? What? Why wasn't I flying? That's how I died, didn't I? Ugh. At least I'm going the same way that I found it. Ugh. I've gotten far from when I've flown. I've flown very well. Let's just keep going, you guys, because I don't want to hold y'all up if y'all are doing something better while watching this video. Oh my gosh, where do I go? I'm so lost. I'm lost. Oh, wait, up here. Meow. Why did I meow like that at the moon? I mean, what is that? The sun. Shall we try this again? A Hana, a duel, a set, a net. Oh shoot! I said fly! Fly, you featherless bird, me! And the sad news is I've never made it to the party. And it was at this moment Camille realized she messed up big time. What taste is good? Caw-caw! Huh? How in the world did I survive a fall like that? I don't even have my wings on. You know what? I'm drowning. Forget this. There's too many, like, I just can't. I for real can't. I'm just gonna drown, you guys. I can't anymore. Whoa, guys. I'm a mermaid now. I can breathe underwater. Oh, shoot. Never mind. I just wanted to be an angel. Maybe if I go deeper underwater, it'll kill me. Maybe I can find an air socket. Maybe I should swim to the surface, you guys. I feel like this is a bad idea because I'm dying very slowly and it's getting tiring. Oh, there's the Parrot Palace. Whoop-de-doo. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. So this is the last you'll ever see of me. Psych! I'll be back with another video, you guys, very shortly. Anyways, enjoy me. Like, comment, and subscribe if you love this video today. Bye. Forever.